I wanted to show you the mask that I ordered off of Amazon. This is the box it came in. It is a firming and moisturizing lifting mask. And that is what I need done. Lifting, get rid of this double chin. So after you open it up, it looks like this. It's got the 3 holes on the top. So you place that over your mouth. And you stretch this over your ears to hold it into place. Straighten it up a little bit. Okay, and then you take the bottom, pull that apart, and you want to place it underneath and then put the straps over your ears again to hold it into place. There we go. And it feels like it's kind of like a gel. If you can see, it's like a jelly material. So there you go. It's very simple, easy, just stays into place. And you want to sleep in this overnight. It'll feel kind of funny at first, but it doesn't bother me at all. So it says on the box it lasts up to 6 to 8 hours. So just sleep in it, and then in the morning, just take it off. And that's it.